Hello beautiful, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anastasia and today I'm going to be taking you along with me to the Texas State Fair. I went today with my 2 friends and my wonderful husband, so I am very excited to share with you guys all I did today. There were so many people at this fair. This is the largest fair that I've ever been to. It is huge. I don't even think I went to all of it. Actually, I know I didn't go to all of it. They had all these interesting things to eat there, like these steak kebabs and a huge turkey leg. We first started off with these waffle fries that were so good. I also had a steak kebab there and it was smoked and cooked to perfection. My friends had some turkey legs. They said it was really good. Next time I'll have to try it. I had such a fun time experiencing this with one of my best friends. We walked around. It was really, really fun. The next spot that we went to was Italy. We had been searching for this for over an hour at this point because my husband really wanted to try their cashew e pepe, which is what this is. It's literally just fried cashew e pepe. And then I got some pineapple Dole Whip. It was okay. Like, it wasn't my favorite. I wanted to like it more than I liked it. So they had this really cool dinosaur park and I really loved all of the gooses that I really wanted to ride in, but there was such a long line that we decided we didn't want to wait, but maybe next time. After walking some more, I really loved this little area that had dinosaur themed things. It was so cute. There was then this discovery farm where I got to see some animals, had some cows, some sheep, and also this humongous pig. I had no idea that pigs were this big, and the little piglets were so cute, along with these little cute chicks.
So adorable.
They also had someone here that was informing everyone about cows and the milk industry, and it was really cool. After walking some more, we ended up going to this really beautiful area with all these beautiful trees. It would have been so nice to see this at nighttime with all of the lights up there. But we ran across this butterfly garden and I absolutely love butterflies. So I was ready to see some butterflies. This was one of my favorite parts of the day, being able to go into this butterfly garden and see all the wonderful butterflies that I've never seen before. It was so amazing and beautiful. It really just makes me astonished at God's creation and how much intricate detail he put into little beings that fly around. So pretty. with the butterfly garden, there was also this outside garden that we ended up going to that was so beautiful. It was nice to get away from all of the noise and all of the people because there wasn't many people at this butterfly garden and at this garden as well. So it was really, really awesome to be outside and chill a little bit. The next thing we ate was nachos for my husband and a hot dog with mac and cheese and brisket on top for me. And I will say this was delicious. My husband also thought his nachos were really good. The next thing I got to eat was this cheesecake. It was a fried cheesecake and it was delicious. Hey guys, got some fried cheesecake, one bite. Everybody knows the rule.
Butchered it.
Still really good. After that, we walked around for a moment and finally found this food court that had all these fun things to try. And then we ended the night. Sadly, there was a shooting, so we had to run out of the Texas State Fair. So that's a whole nother thing. But it was still a really fun day and I wanted to keep this video positive. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I did want to share with you that on my page, I talk a lot about homemaking, vlogs, lifestyle, and different things like that. If you're interested in this content, then definitely like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys!